Pichwai is the famous Indian art form that originated in Nathdwara some 400 years ago. It depicts Lord Shrinathji, a form of Lord Krishna. Namaste, I am Vidya Magesh Kumar. Welcome to my channel where we explore various traditional and folk arts of India. In this video, I am creating a painting of Lord Krishna where he is grazing his cows. He is aware that it is going to be dark soon and very lovingly he is gathering them all to return home. I am painting this on a canvas sheet with acrylic paints. I have sketched with a blue color pencil, then I will go over it with a black pen. A little about the history of Pichwai. In order to safeguard the deity of Shrinathji from the fanatism of Aurangzeb, who was strictly against idol worship, saints and devotees carried the idol from Jaipur to the safety of Nathdwara in Mewar district. The Nathdwara temple is actually a palace complex where the original idol is housed. The Pichwai painting style was born here as a way of decorating the temple. The word Pichwai means placed or hung at the back. The Pichwai is painted on a cloth and hung as a backdrop behind the idol of Srinathji. The Pichwais follow the Pushti Marg Sampradaya, which was started by Sri Vallabhacharya in the 16th century. They worship Krishna as the supreme god, and all their rituals are centered around the devotion of youthful Krishna. The idol of Srinathji represents a 7-year-old Krishna who lifted the Mount Govardhana to use it as a giant umbrella to protect the people of Mathura from the rains sent down by Lord Indra. The whole life of Lord Krishna can be divided into two main episodes. His life from childhood to youth at Gokula as a shepherd, and a matured Krishna who returned to Mathura to kill his maternal uncle and claim his rightful kingdom. At Nathdwara, the life of Krishna as a youth at Gokula near the river Yamuna is celebrated and worshipped as Srinathji. The dark colored Krishna is depicted as Srinath with his left hand held high in a gesture of holding the Mount Govardhana, and his right hand is behind him. The image has special features like big nose, large eyes and a fat belly. The distinct features and expressions radiate divinity. The prayer ritual at the temple follow a discipline just as one would treat a small child. There are 8 different formal viewing times like the morning Mangala, which is the gentle waking up ritual, followed by Shringar and so forth. The other times Lord is not to be disturbed. Apart from these, every festival is a reason to celebrate like Janmashtami or Krishna's birthday, Govardhana Puja, Holi, Gopashtami, etc. Pichwais have two main functions under the Pushti Marg rituals. One is to be used as a backdrop on the inner sanctum in the shrine. They are changed daily and are designed in accordance to the season, festival or rituals of the day. The other Pichwais are artists' document of the worship at the temple. The artists gain special entrance to the inner sanctum and sketch the adornment and rituals in vivid details throughout the day. The Pichwais used as a backdrop may depict the various festivities that Krishna celebrated as a shepherd, his childhood pranks, Holi, Rasalila, Janmashtami, etc. These are huge 12 feet by 18 feet paintings on cloth which are changed daily and even for every one of the 8 formal views in the day. Although the themes of these paintings are already decided, it is the creativity of the artist as to how he chooses to depict it. On the other hand, the Pichwais used for documentation will have the figure of Srinathji as its central figure, surrounded by various rituals and motifs. These can be smaller in size. The typical motifs used in a Pichwai painting are lotuses or Kamal Talai, where the river Yamuna is shown with lotuses, or simply lotuses are used as design elements. The cow, the famous cow which is a favorite of Krishna, who is seen as a shepherd. Peacocks, especially in paintings showing rainy season or spring season. Gopis, as a shepherd, Krishna was very popular among the gopis. The Rasa Leela painting depicts Krishna in many forms, dancing with every gopi. Nature, an abundance of greenery with lots of flora and fauna make the painting very cheerful and colorful. After all, a shepherd would spend his days outdoors. Pichwai painting is famous for its bright colors and highly populated detailed depictions. In spite of the details, it does not feel crowded because of its aesthetic balance. The vivid colors and aesthetics actually brings out the romantic devotion of Krishna. The method of creating a Pichwai is similar to the other art forms that we have seen thus far. A cotton fabric is washed and dried. A gesso is prepared using white powder and gum, and a few coats are applied. It is then polished well, then the drawing is created. After painting the lotus pond, I realized they were a little too big for the picture, so I had to redo the whole pond. The bright and intense colors like yellow, green, black, red dominate the Pichwai. The ornate part would be decorated with pure gold. The borders are enhanced with crystals and other decorative elements. With the passing of time, the Pichwai has also seen a lot of changes. Commercialization has necessitated the reduction of size. Paints are readily available in bottles. I hope this video has shed some light on what Pichwai is all about. If one understands the emotions behind the creation of these paintings, it would help them appreciate the painting better. Pichwai is not merely a painting, but an offering of loving devotion. For the people living in Nathdwara, Krishna is not just a supreme god, but an adorable child of the family. They also follow the daily ritual timings in accordance to the rituals of the temple. Hope you have found this video useful and informative. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, please share your valuable feedback in the comment sections. Thank you for watching.